Greetings, my name is Samita Sanmugam and my metric number is 055980. Together with my partner Mastura, we will present blockchain. So, we will start by knowing a little about blockchain. Blockchain is a ledger or a database that keeps track of all records. This is a storing method that is impossible to alter. It also removes the need of third party by introducing smart contract. So how does blockchain work? Each block has, as shown in the diagram, has data, hash, and previous hash. Data contains record. Hash is unique, almost like a fingerprint, to each and every block. And previous hash is a detail on the hash of previous block. Chaining of block happens with hash and previous hash. Blockchain has 5 key concepts: cryptographic hash, immutable ledger, peer-to-peer network, consensus protocol, and block validation, which is also known as mining. Cryptographic hash is, as explained earlier, where every block has hash and previous hash. Immutable ledger shows how changing data can cause corruption in nodes, which is why there will be no possible way to change your data. And blockchain uses a peer-to-peer network where data is shared among all users and stored by a whole network, which makes attacking much difficult. We also have consensus protocol. Users must come to an agreement about the validity of adding more blocks. Consensus is needed to be achieved by all users to add more blocks. Usually they will check on proof of work, which is an effort taken by user, usually known as a miner, to solve a problem in order to obtain a new block. The act of meeting proof of work is mining, and that is how blockchain validating occurs. So when you mine, you get a new block of data.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Masra binti Abu Bakar and my matrix number is 056166. So now I'll be presenting on how blockchain works under cryptocurrency, which is a major field for blockchain technology. So cryptocurrency is a type of digital asset that has no physical form but on a network which is distributed on many computers. Government and central authorities has no control over this decentralized structure. So the government has no say or any influence in the assets. They also wouldn't know who profited, criminal activities can't be traced, and taxes can't be collected. And secure payment online can be done where the money is denominated by tokens that are the ledger entries internal to the system. This is where users of a certain cryptocurrency will transfer the coin to their chosen next owner. This is done with hashing and public key for the next owner of the coin. Now, there are several uses of cryptocurrency, and the first one is wealth management, meaning any wealthy person can manage their assets without any restrictions or boundaries. The second would be digital publishing engagement. This is where an alternate way of advertising plays out. Advertisers would have to pay for their advertisements, and it would be on relevant articles for targeted consumers. For non-corrupt charity, using blockchain technology, we can put an end on corruption by managing the data wisely. Now, for traveling, there are certain places all over the world that uses crypto payment. Lastly, cryptocurrency can be used for secure online money transactions. This is because sensitive information of the owners would not be shown for anyone to see. Now, there are several advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. The first advantages would be secured privacy. Like I mentioned before, cryptocurrency is very focused on the privacy of the users. Using blockchain security and hashing encryption, hackers would have a hard time getting in and stealing. Next would be cheap transaction fees. Since there are no third parties involved in the transaction, there will be low to no fees at all. Last is fast and accessible. Since it is a direct transaction from an owner to the next owner of the tokens, it will take less time to pass it through. Now for the disadvantages, it is highly volatile, meaning the value of the tokens are not fixed, so it will fluctuate easily. Then it is also not refundable. This is because it is not under the government or any authorities. If the owners mistakenly send tokens to the wrong new owners or is lured by the scammers, there will be no refund policy. Lastly, cryptocurrency is not user-friendly. Most people would have a hard time understanding how everything works, since it is still new and is product of computer science. Now I'll be introducing Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the best known cryptocurrency, which was the main reason blockchain itself was invented. It allows peer-to-peer transactions using blockchain technology. So Bitcoin will receive the information directly when any transactions happens. Now each owner of the Bitcoin is given a specific private key during the transaction which will be used later to decrypt it. Now private key is a type of public key cryptography. In public key cryptography, for encrypting and decrypting, there are two separate private keys. Lastly, there is no central authority figure and transactions are only controlled by users around the world.
Here are some examples of blockchain technology. Bitcoin is the first generation of cryptocurrency. Ethereum is the second generation of blockchain cryptocurrency. Cardano is the third generation of blockchain cryptocurrency. Ethereum allows mining easily by 4 times compared to Bitcoin, while Cardano uses proof of stake blockchain instead of proof of work blockchain. So you can see the improvement from Bitcoin, the first generation, to Ethereum and Cardano, the second and third generation. Polkadot, on the other hand, is a heterogeneous multi-chain which connects with public blockchain. More examples are BitPesa, which allows digital foreign exchange and focuses on connecting the world to Africa. Follow My Vote, which is a blockchain vote counting system. It is a unhackable e-vote counting system that prevent vote fraud. MedRegTech uses blockchain to record all details of patient and makes confidentiality and authenticity much easier to achieve.
Now I'll be talking about how distributed database is being implemented in blockchain. A distributed database is a decentralized data system with fast query processing and well-designed data formatting. A blockchain is distributed, connected data structure that is decentralized. Blockchain uses peer-to-peer network as we can see on the picture on slide. Now for the application of blockchain, we chose Litecoin. Litecoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency with an open source software that is taken from Bitcoin, much similar to Bitcoin, but it uses different hashing algorithm which is script instead of SHA-256. Script is much more memory intensive. Litecoin also decentralized, so it is not under government control or any censorship. It is proved to have a quicker mining process. So now mining process is where a certain mining software is used to secure each block to the existing blockchain. And then Litecoin also reached a Lightning Network transaction with a record of under 1 second. Lightning Network is a payment protocol that sits on top of blockchain cryptocurrency for much more faster transactions of scalability problems. Scalability problems occurs when handling large amount of transactions in under short period of time. Now, the factors that affect Litecoin price. First one would be regulation. It is not being regulated by the government or central banks, meaning there isn't a certain fixed rate for the currency should be at. There is also no limit to it, so the rate will fluctuate. Then the second is price. The cryptocurrencies and the attention of the public can deter the price of the coin. When there is an interest shown by a group of public, there is a chance the Litecoin price will go up. The third is supply. Availability of the coin can fluctuate based on the market rate. The last is adoption, being an alternate way of payment for business or consumers. That is all from us. Thank you.